Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a detailed look at the 2026 Hero Splendor 125 xABS BS7, a motorcycle designed mainly for daily commuters who want reliability, fuel efficiency, comfort, and low maintenance in one practical package. The overall design feels more modern compared to older commuter bikes. The updated body panels, LED lighting setup, alloy wheels, and sporty styling elements give the motorcycle a fresher road presence while still keeping the classic Splendor identity that riders trust for daily use. Performance is expected to focus on smooth and efficient commuting. The 125cc engine delivers refined power for city riding and occasional highway travel. Acceleration feels predictable and beginner-friendly, making the bike suitable for office workers, students, and everyday riders. The expected top speed is around 100 to 110 km/h, which is practical for normal commuting conditions. One of the biggest highlights is fuel efficiency. This motorcycle is expected to deliver excellent mileage, making it highly economical for long-term daily use. Low running costs and reliable engine performance are major reasons why commuter motorcycles remain popular in this category. Comfort is another strong area. The upright riding posture, lightweight body, soft suspension, and long comfortable seat make city riding easier, especially in traffic and rough road conditions. The lightweight handling also helps new riders feel more confident. Technology and safety features are improved as well. The motorcycle is expected to include LED lighting, digital instrument display, fuel injection, and xABS braking support for safer braking performance and improved control. On the positive side, it offers strong mileage, practical performance, comfortable riding posture, easy maintenance, and reliable daily usability. However, sporty performance is limited. Premium features are basic compared to bigger bikes, and highway touring capability is moderate. If you want an affordable, reliable, and fuel-efficient commuter motorcycle for everyday riding, this is one of the smartest options to consider.